美国电影《速度与激情》里面帅爆的跑车大家都看过吧？就在上个月的美国洛杉矶，开跑车甩掉警察直升机的车就是它。经典美式肌肉车道奇挑战者小蜜蜂，世界纪录马力最大、速度最快，在美国肌肉车里面排第一的就是道奇的挑战者。这个车因为油耗大，在一些国家禁止销售，所以很多外国人不知道它。这款车也是美国车里面唯一跟 Camry、Corona、Accord 排行前10的故障率最低的美国车，它排在第7名。这个车在美国价格卖得很高，但是销量很好。我们这里新车的话，现在只剩一台 SXT 了，然后这一台是 Pre-owned 的。这边还有一台蓝色手排的小蜜蜂，只开了700多迈，700多英里。这前任主人可能刚买来就没有开过了。这一台的设计感觉配置更高，稍微豪华一点，就这个皮椅啊什么的，跟刚才那台稍微有点不一样。但这个手排的我真的是无能为力了，不会开啊。有的朋友比较喜欢手排啊，就觉得这个手排的操控感会更好一点。我挺喜欢它这个翻毛皮的感觉的，特别低调，特别有质感。
So basically, that's your drive modes. What it actually does is, this is on how basically your car is going to be performing. If you're going to the track, if you're doing a sport mode, you can see the colors, right?
Yeah.
So red, orange. This is how you want it to be, how stiff or how hard the steering would be, and how it would brake, basically.
Oh, okay.
And there's automatic. So track, everything is super stiff because once you're going fast, and how hard your brakes is going to be, making it easier for you to control everything. So because you're going fast, of course, they need to brake faster.
You can set that up too? Oh, okay.
And then, of course, the steering. See, that's red. It's because if you're going fast, it's how stiff this is going to be. It's a sports car.
Okay. That's very brief.
Absolutely. What's great about this car is it is a Scat Pack. It gives you 385 horse. No, yeah, 465 horsepower. Okay, I'll teach you this. Line lock. What it actually does is it holds your wheels for you to do the launch control. I don't know exactly how to do this. Basically, it's, what do you call that? Setting it up to an amount of RPMs for your back wheels to spin. Your front wheels will hold the car.
Right.
And then once you're ready to launch,
you can drift.
It launches. So really, it's really literal. Your car launches like a rocket.
Okay.
Without having to burn your tires.
Without having to burn the tires? Oh, wow.
So it raises up the RPM. And then it launches.
Ooh.
So you'll feel this. So sport, what actually the sport does, it slightly stiffens it to make it for more control. In addition to that, it increases your RPMs on when it's gonna shift.
Okay.
Custom is the same thing. You just choose which one you want.
Oh, I see. Okay.
How hard or how soft you want it to be. Of course, street is the softest. Middle is basically small, medium, and large.
I see. Okay. And the last one?
It does it for you automatically.
Oh, okay. So this is like easy one, just push it. Okay.
No, people usually just use this.
Oh, you mean this one? Most people don't use it.
Yeah, everything.
Oh wow!
It's this three most people don't use. This one, 90% of the people will never use.
Never use. Okay. So
unless they want to go to the track and go play with it. Performance pages. This tells you how good you did on the track.
So this is like a record. shows the numbers.
That's just basically the stuff of the car. This is the dyno. So what it does, it measures your power and your torque.
Okay.
This one really works when you're on the dyno or when it's moving. Does it have gas? Nope. Don't even want to go on a test drive.
No gas?
Not at all. That'll get us to the gas station and back. What's that? Oh, look. You can even take a picture of it if you wanted to.
小蜜蜂的标志，把引擎盖打开看看。
That's a 6.4 liter pure muscle engine.
Pure muscle engine.
Fun fact for you, the Hemi engine is actually supposed to be a firefighter jet engine.
Really?
In World War II.
Oh, wow.
Because World War II ended already, they used it as a car engine. They actually used it in tanks first before.
咱们去开一下自排的那一台。走，我们一起去试开一下。呀，这排档设计得很像飞机哦。座椅是这种混合的，叫那个翻毛皮的。然后上面有一只经典的小蜜蜂，桶式的这种赛车式的座椅。它前面的这个操控仪表盘是稍稍向驾驶员那边倾斜的，就不是一个平面，它是一个斜面。中控置物间，视野还是不错的。我觉得跟雪佛兰的那个 Corvette 还有那个 Camaro 比的话，视野好太多了。那两台车坐进去，我感觉我有点看不见。试开之前，我跟同事先设置一下这台车的这个控制参数。参数设置的页面有几个不同的模式。有一个 Sport， 有一个 Track， 然后还有一个是客制化，还有一个自动的。前三个的话都可以自己调，最后一个自动的话它是自己帮你设好。系好安全带，准备出发啦
Look, this is a wide body right here.
！Which one? This one? Oh. It gets so dirty because of the rain.
Yeah, it is dirty.
How do you feel?
Good. So I'm right now. So I'm downshifting right here. So push this.
What is that?
When you downshift. So instead of you just holding the brake and then it goes down, you can manually.
Oh, oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah, pretty cool. Launch, drive modes.
It's really quiet. 肌肉车是一代美国精神的代表，一提起就是西部荒野的感觉。大家所熟悉的福特的野马、雪佛兰的科迈罗、变形金刚，还有道奇的挑战者，都是比较典型的经典肌肉车。但是不同于野马跟科迈罗比较现代化的外形，道奇的挑战者造型一直延续的是复古的经典造型，比较低调一点。挑战者的顶级机器增压版本叫做地狱猫，现在没有现货，要买的话需要提前半年预定。地狱猫的马力超过700匹。和很多人喜欢的公羊越野皮卡 TRX 霸王龙用的是同一个引擎，它接近丰田坦途皮卡的2倍，顶级的配置的话，一台要超过10万美金。今天拍的这款是道奇挑战者的小蜜蜂，6.4升的引擎，比丰田坦途5.7升的还要大。这么大的马力开这么小一台车，就知道它跑得多快了。
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay, try a different one. Timers.
Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Yeah.
It's just heavy, huh? It just like feels heavy.
Right.
Miles per gallon.
10 miles per gallon. Oh, damn.
Yeah, like you can see right here. Right. That's 10 miles per gallon.
buy this car for safe gas.
There you go.
So here you can see the engine.
Oh yeah. And the torque.
Oh wow, 0 to almost 60. Like 1 second, 2 seconds.
Yeah, like 3 seconds.
3 seconds.
It's pretty fast.
Yeah. 跑很快，感觉刚刚这个转速稍微一上去，这个引擎的声浪的声音就完全不一样了。车窗全部关起来的话，它的噪音分贝是46。右下角这个数字啊，46。它这台车好新啊！你看这个新车的这个纸还在上面，然后这个 Uconnect 的 menu 它都没有拆过哎，塑胶纸还在上面呢。真的好新，它可能买回去就周末偶尔开一开，我估计也就是停在家里。这个车况极好。